Hello guys, this is Ryan, the Anointed Efforts Academy. So this is now weekly Elliott wave analysis, weekly advanced Elliott wave analysis. So before we go on, I want you to be aware of this disclaimer that this channel is for educational purposes and all the videos, presentations, and writings are only for educational purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. So guys, you have to be aware that is not only the forex is a game of probability and a game of risk management. So for you to be able to scale to forex trading, you must master your risk management. So this is weekly outlook on every currency pair, metas, and the rest of them. So if you have not subscribed to this channel and you're seeing us for the first time, subscribe. If you're watching us with the subscription, subscribe to our channel and support what we are doing. You can join our Telegram channel, and the link to that Telegram channel is in the description of this video below. So we have an academy account, an academy channel where you learn. Though it's not free, also have in that academy channel also we share our VIP signals. Although we share signals in our Telegram channel for everybody, but as exceptional signals we share on the VIP. So let's move on without wasting our time. This is DSY dollar index. As I told you earlier last week that I wanted to touch this list, even though it did not touch it. It came close to it for it not fall down. So what are we expecting now in this pair? What are we expecting now? What I'm expecting is simple. By Monday, we will see another fall below here. This must come below here to give us this fifth wave. Can you see that fifth wave there? Look at that. This is wave 1. This is wave 2. This is wave 3. This is wave 4. And this is going to be wave 5. So that is what I'm expecting here. So when that 5 completes, we're going to see another correction toward this place for another job. So right now, this wave 5, we must pay attention to it and capture it maybe by Monday or by ending of Monday, Tuesday, maybe go. Any which way, that is all for this DSY. Okay, this is Euro US dollar. Euro US dollar. As I normally say always, that Euro US dollar is an inverse of DSY, inverse of DSY. So looking at it, you can see there are similar things here on the Euro US dollar. You can see the wave 4 of last week. You can see how we made profit here, trading this wave 3 or wave 5. So what are we expecting here? When you look at here, you can see the wave 1 or wave 5, wave 2 or wave 5, this is wave 3, wave 5, then this is wave 4. Coming here, this is wave 4, wave 5. So what are we expecting? Wave 5 will come above this very place. So by Monday, expect that wave 5 will come above before a correction again will come another move. That is what we are expecting in Euro US dollar. So I will update this in a Telegram channel. I will update it in a lower time frame where everybody can understand it. So if you are not on a Telegram channel, you need to join our Telegram channel. Okay, this is Great Britain. US dollar. So looking at Great Britain, what I see here is a complete 5-way. Let's look at it. Let's see it. The reason I expand it to it will be very bold enough for everyone to see. So looking at this, you can see the bearish kind of close this Friday. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction by Monday. Correction that will come up to here, and then another drop. Another drop toward this very place. From there, another buy will come. So what I'm expecting in Great Britain is a correction towards up, and a drop. If there is no correction towards now it will be a risk for me to sell it. I can't sell it to you. If there is no correction towards it, I will just keep quiet and I'll allow it to come here. If I come here directly, if I see price up, I will buy. But I must see a correction up here, a correction upwards before I can sell this to this very place. Now that is all for the return. Wow. Okay, this one did not play as expected. This is Australian dollar, US dollar. So all this while the thing was correcting on it. I thought it was trying to give me an up move, but it was not so. It was all preparing for a bigger set. So looking at it, what do we expect now? It's very simple. What do we expect? This is A, this is B, and this is against C. Okay. Right, this is B, this is C. So let's get it back. A, B, C. So what am I expecting now? I'm expecting a correction. The correction will not be deep. Another drop. What I'm expecting. The correction will not be so deep. Correction may just come to this very level. This level just come towards the another. That is what I am expecting in this pair. So if you want to sell it or want to trade it, all you have to do is just mark this the level and the level and wait for correction toward that level. So once markets correct towards that level, we see a set it up there, then we say to the development. That is what I expected in this very pair. So let's move on. Okay, this is a US dollar, Swiss francs, US dollar, Swiss franc. Before now, I wanted it to be clear for me. I wanted it to come up. I wanted this to come up here before I can sell from here down. But it didn't make it to that place. We decided to do something. That's why I will tell you guys that the market has a final say. So at the end of the day, this is our way for. This is our way for. I don't say that. Since we're telling, and this one is fine. Looking at it, you can say that this is a wave 1, this is wave 2, this is wave 3. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction maybe here or wave 5. And now final wave when I drop the last leg when I come. So that is what I'm expecting. The last leg to come below this place. That is what I am expecting by next week. So Which pair is this? This is a Japanese. Yeah, very wonderful, very beautiful pair. This pair, I love what he did. Even though I missed some places, I mean, this one I entered before and I run away, and I enter again and I capture this one. So right now, I'm very happy that these two trades I was able to capture them. Very good trade and good profits. So what am I expecting now? This is wave four, the massive earner, and this is the fifth wave. So the fifth wave is not yet complete. Why? Because if you count it, this is one, this is two, this is three. So this is four that's happening already. So what am I expecting? Maybe come up a little bit and then crash down to give us, you must crash below this line to give us the final movement, after which we will see a huge correction, a very huge correction will come. So that is one for next week. But this week, just focus on finding a sell within this place to set it below this line. So that is what we focus on. And this of US dollar, Japanese yen. Hmm. Hmm. This is US Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen. We are following my trade. Remember when it was here? I was placed the economy and it. So what am I expecting in this? Well, I expected it to drop to this very point. But looking at it, the pair refused to drop. And looking at it, it seemed not to care about selling. So what am I expecting? Now, I think two possible things. Number one is a drop. Not about a pullback. You may see a drop towards this because if you look at it, there's a fair value gap there, which needed to be closed. Assuming that it has come here and closed this place, then I won't be thinking of selling again. But as far as this place is still open, there is a possibility of coming to touch this head here, touch it, then move up. But market decided not to touch again. After all, it has come down to this close to it. You know, start from here, going up gradually, going up gradually, going up gradually. That is what I'm expecting. There are two possible things where it comes down to this point, goes up, or it move up from directly from that place. So that's what I am expecting. And Euro Japanese yen. The Japanese yen, as expected, play out as expected. So you can see where I marked it. And again, touch there, drop, and touch there again, drop. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a buy because looking at it, we have cleared this very level. Look at this level. Yeah. Came and cleared the level throughout, cleared the level. So I don't see it coming below that place. If you come below that place, then it's going very, very far down. So what am I expecting in a sense? Expecting a buy towards here, and I drop. That's what I'm expecting. Or a drop from here, then a very small and a drop. That is what basically you may see on this pair by next week. This is Eurusd. Wow, this is surprising me. I won't lie you. This pair has surprised me a lot. I was not expecting this to happen. I was never expecting this to happen. Due to that, I won't say anything now. I have to analyze it later in order to bring a perspective to this US30, NASDAQ, all the indices. They did something unusual. I don't know why. Maybe it had to do with political things, tariff, and rest of them. Because I expected it to, this is expected to move up from here to new heights. I expect this pair to move up from here to make a new height So look at it, it crashed down. So having crashed down, I know that it have to do with the larger time frame collection. So I'm not going to complain, say anything here until I have find out what really happened on this spread. Because looking at the bigger time frame, you may find that it's going to be maybe a very big correction that is coming, a very big one. So I won't like comment now. So let's guys, here's the same goes with NASDAQ. Look at it. The same goes with this. Look at this. The man in this can see the falling. I don't know especially where I'm marked to correct, but it's kind of falling there. So what are we going to do? We're going to analyze it separately and make a video for it. I will post it on my channel. I can go there and watch. Let's go on with currency price. And let's okay. This is another one. Of course, you remember this pair when I mark here and I said A, B, C, and exactly what plays out. So what am I expecting on this pair? Very simple. Yes, plays out. Really look at it, you can see this is wave 1, this is A, this is C, this is wave 2, and this is wave 3. So you're expecting wave 4, and then another drop, which is wave 5. That's what I'm expecting, a correction and a drop. So what you will do, you're going to just sit down, relax, wait for the correction, and then when the drop comes, you can be able to enter and sell it below here and make your profits. I think that was expecting here, and that is how I'm going to trade it. Good. Okay. The time for me to shine a good has come. Before now, I'll be running away from good because he has been making some high. You can see we are forecasting at the good bullishness will end, and the bullishness has ended temporarily. Okay, look at it. You can see wave 1, wave 2, this is wave 3, this is wave 4, and this is wave 5. And wave 5 is complete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is why I see breaking to the trend line and the coming down below. If I may go down to the 4-hour time frame to close something on good, which is what's happening. Can you see that? And I think I post this before it happened. I posted on my Telegram channel. I could take advantage of it, but I didn't trade it though because I don't just trade gold. I must understand the pattern before I trade it because gold is on a bigger derivative. So what am I expecting here now? When you look at it, you can see that selling has already begun. This is wave 1, and this is A, this is B, this is C, which make it wave 2, and this is the beginning of wave 3. So what am I expecting in wave? Don't expect to see a deep correction. You know, what you may see is something towards the another growth. So I take profit and good will be on this very place, this fall, this place. This place will be the take profit. That 37 period, this place will be my take profit. Once it's come up, give me a good correction like I understand, and I'll send it to this very place. That is going to be my first take profit on it. So that's I'm not in the order, but I'll wait for next week once I see the correction I wanted to see. I'll sell. If I didn't see a correction, I'm not jumping. I'll wait for it until I see a correction that I can understand. I don't trade because market is going in my direction. I trade because I find an entry, a good correcting pattern of the Elliott wave, and then use an ITC and down. So that's kind of trade is it doesn't fail. It doesn't fail. It does not fail. Sometimes I used to miss it to use a payment. Okay. Saver. Of course, yeah. If you watch the video I did on Saver, as I think the last 2 weeks, is it 2 weeks ago? Okay, see the video here. Let me show you on my YouTube. There's a video I did on Saver. Saver video. Look at the video. Go and watch it if you have time. Watch this video. You can see what I say there. This is the video I do on server. Just watch it. There is a lot to learn on that very video. You understand that? There's a lot to learn on that very video. There is a lot to learn on that video. So I'm gonna say that what am I expecting in silver? I expect silver to this is a correction pattern. Let me go down to the time frame. This is what I'm trying to show you guys. This is a corrective pattern. And see this. And what is silver is coming to? What am I expecting silver? Just a correction. The correction will come. Another this is the way I am seeing it to stop selling. And from here, we see another buy because this is an expanded flat pattern in a higher time frame. Look at it. Let's talk about in a higher time frame. This is a new see. This is a very flat pattern in a higher time frame. And then we have it so that everybody can see it. You see that this is A, B, C. This is B. And so that's W, X, Y, X, Z. This is C. This is A, B, C, A, B, C. And then 5 breakdown. You see that? So it's coming down to here. So what are we going to do? Let's look for a correction. We can't jump in a very big thing like this. You have to find correction. Just find correction. Find correction. It may come towards here and then qua. That is what you expect from silver. BTC. Of course, I was bearish in BTC. You can see this when BTC come up here, a pull back immediately. So expect the market to come up here again towards here, or even take liquidity from that up and then crash again. It's going to crash below here. Going to crash. Once crash below here, you will do another correction. Will not crash again. What you see in BTC. Now what BTC will do till the end of this year. Don't expect any bullishness of crypto has ended. There are some guys in my YouTube telling people to buy this one, buy this coin, that is to buy. I say, I tell the guy that the bullishness has ended. They say, I don't know what I'm saying. I laugh. Because we have been in crypto since 2010. So I know what crypto is doing, and I know again crypto is playing. Okay, let's check this pair. Okay, this is pair. I check this pair. I made some profit. The pair was not giving what I wanted, though I made some profit from it. Looking at it. Supposed to drop below here as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. But yeah, the pair has been proving stubborn, so you may see some correction towards this point before after. I have a parallel jeopardizing. I don't normally take parallel pairs because parallel pairs has been a parallel pairs so many times. Another user about knowing. Okay, this is Canada Swiss francs. So what are we expecting? Of course, can see already coming up. Correction will come towards the another drop. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and 4 is coming, which is 5 will come up suspended. So that is what you need to learn on this place. I think that is all, guys. And remember to subscribe to the channel, join the Telegram channel, and get to get the full digest of this pair. This is my pair for the week because by Monday I will be buying this pair for a new height here. That's my profits. So thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.